All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got Taylor's Duramax behind us. What do we have in store for us today?
Yeah, our friends at PPE, they helped hook us up with some cool stuff for the Duramax. We've got a front diff that we're gonna do, as well as a rear diff cover. And then we are doing the large oil filter with the relocation kit that you have to do to fit this big guy. So that's what we have. And then what are we gonna top it off with?
So we're gonna top it off with the Schaefer's gear and engine oil, top of the line. Let's get to it.
Sounds good. Alright, let's make this one could be the drippies. Let's hope not. Okay, we got the oil drained, and now it's time onto the oil filter. To be able to fit the large PPE oil filter, the first time you do it, you need to get a relocation kit. So we're gonna relocate this fuel pump cooler forward with the kit that we ordered. So that's the next step.
To be able to add the extension on this fuel pump cooler, as you can see, there is this harness right here. You're gonna wanna pull that red tab up, and on the back side, gave us a little bit of difficulty, but there is a black tab on the back to be able to reconstruct everything and put everything back together. All right, now that we've buttoned up the relocation kit, we're gonna get started on the front diff cover and then move on to the rear diff.
Ooh, she's nice and pretty. I mean, this thing's always in 4-wheel drive. Not. Dude, that looks really nice. Do not make fun of my Ryobi tools. It's okay if there's some teeth missing, right? Uh-huh. Okay. It's coffee in the morning. So right here there is some, there's a magnet on the factory one, and you can see there's just a little bit of magnetic flake here, which is normal during break-in and everything. The key is there's no big chunks of diff. Everything looks great on the gears and everything inside the diff. Okay, so back to the new diff from PPE. You take the gasket from the old one. What I would recommend, this truck's pretty new, so this gasket's totally fine. But if you see any wear on your gasket, I would say go get a new one before you install this.
All right, while Taylor is buttoning up the front diff cover, we're gonna get started on the rear diff cover. Let's get to it.
Okay, when it comes time to tighten all the bolts, there's a specific torque pattern you're gonna wanna follow, and there is torque specs in here. So be sure to follow that pattern and those specs when you torque everything down.
There was a nut, a bracket, and then a nut on top of that.
All right, so on the rear diff cover, you've got these studs from PPE. It's gonna be a little difficult to get those back in there, so we are going to go with the double nut and then wrench it down. Then we'll throw the cover back on, and then throw this tab over top. Just delete it while we have it up.
Okay. Ryobi for the win. Okay, so same thing on the back diff as the front. There's a special bolt pattern. This one actually has a slightly higher torque setting, so make sure to look that up in the latest instruction manual you get. Okay.
All right guys, while Taylor is buttoning up, finishing torquing his tires after rotation, we're gonna top the truck off with some fluids. We got the 5W40 engine oil ready to go in the truck.
Okay, the last piece is we have to put coolant back in, because when you do that relocation kit, you take those hoses off, you're gonna lose some. So there's this reservoir right here that you just have to top off and get it back to the full line, and then you're good to go. Oil pressure. Nothing's leaking. Okay, so we got everything wrapped up. We did the large oil filter from PPE. We did the front diff, rear diff, oil change, and we got the tires rotated. All in all, pretty well. I will say have some patience with that front diff. Some of those bolts are a little tough to get to.
Yeah, in the next video, we will be doing the front and rear diff cover from PPE on Kyle's 24 Power Stroke. So stay tuned for that. And if you guys have any ideas for the Patriot series, please let us know. And if you want this front and rear diff cover on your truck, click that link in the bio or visit us at dieselpowerproducts.com.